Ladies and gentlemen, this is a sight to behold. It is Eric Techstuffs' desk all torn apart. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been a year in the making. He has been working towards this for quite some time. For that year, he persevered with going through declutter and his shop. Of course, Eric Techstuffs' story's not over. Hey, it's Eric Techstuffs, and yes, this whole bench has been torn down and apart. I think I did it last time about a year ago, but we have a lot of equipment we need to put in proper places, and we're going to repurpose that rack and put everything properly on it. It's been probably more than a year since I've taken everything off of all of this shelves, and I'm going to repurpose that. New 200 CMY 01 and oscilloscope and all that other stuff, generic stuff I need to either go through, or I actually found stuff I needed to use. Now, in the process of me hooking all this stuff up, I'm actually putting the labels on the top side, so it'll be congruent for the bottom side. Same on the CMY 01, so I'll know all those connections. I've also taken pictures of everything too, just to make sure I have good documentation, so when I have to go back there and connect or unconnect some stuff, I will have it. But yeah, I think we're going to repopulate the shelf, pull that up, do the shelving over the CMU, possibly over the CMY. But yeah, other than that, all the other equipment should be on the top shelf, and I can be able to use some Velcro straps to be able to run coaxes and power and everything, get it clean and nice, because yeah, I'm tired of having to deal with everything just in a cluster. Makes it a lot easier for me. The CMY one was way down here, just kind of hanging out. And of course, all that has to be gone through as well, but there is so much to deal with. But as of now, yeah, the Eric Techstuffs shack is torn down. All the stuff, all the test equipment's out, and we're cleaning it all up and doing it up right.